You are watching this video because you're probably a bit confused about how to upload your image. Now, first of all, I'm going to go ahead and actually show you what the final result looks like, so then we can work backwards. Guys, I've had a lot of things embroidered on Amazon.com, and this is one of the highest quality embroidery jobs I have ever seen. Take a look at that detail. This is a very thin logo too. They got the red in there. Look at that. So, oh, got a little grass on there. Don't worry, that's my carpet. That's not actually, it came clean, but look at the individual stars. Is that amazing? You can upload logos. I do recommend getting both the sleeves and this done just to cover as much real estate as possible. Okay, so now that you know what it kind of looks like, this is what you're going to want to do. First, you're going to create an image that looks something similar to this. And this is a high resolution image. So if I were to zoom in, you'll see that it is pretty darn sharp. And first of all, I put the left chest right there on the image. And then I put one of the sleeves there, and then one of the sleeves there. Now these sleeves and the chest corresponds to this right here. Now you will have to select, see this right here, see all four options, click on this A, B, C together, because we are doing the left chest, the left sleeve, and the right sleeve. Then you're going to click browse and upload that image I just showed you earlier, the transparent high resolution PNG. It'll take a little while to cook, and then it will show up right here. Now what's curious is that you are going to have to drag this, but see how it kind of disappears? That's okay. Just drag it until it's pretty much square, about right there. And then what you're going to want to do is scroll all the way down, pretty much ignore this right here, and you're gonna probably make some designations right here. So let's say, for example, I typed out a few very clear, very simple directions, and then simply scroll up, click add to cart, and then a few weeks later, this showed up in the mail. Amazing.